Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a circle on Instagram profile picture. First, understand that Instagram automatically crops your profile photo into a circular shape. To achieve the best look, start with a square image. This ensures that no important parts of your photo are cut off. Make sure the main subject, like your face, is centered within the square for perfect framing. This simple preparation makes a big difference. Choosing the right photo is crucial for a great circular profile picture. Always opt for a high-resolution image to ensure clarity and sharpness, even when it's displayed small. Try to avoid busy or cluttered backgrounds that might distract from your main subject. A close-up shot, especially of your face, often works best as it makes you easily recognizable at a glance. Think about what you want to convey. Before uploading, take a moment to edit your photo. Crop your image to a 1:1 aspect ratio using your phone's editing tools or a third-party app. This pre-cropping helps control what Instagram will show. Adjust the brightness and contrast to make your picture pop and ensure good visibility. Always preview how your profile picture looks on your Instagram profile before finalizing and saving your changes. This step is key. If your profile picture isn't appearing as a perfect circle, try re-uploading a perfectly square image. Sometimes, minor aspect ratio differences can cause issues. If your updated picture isn't showing, clearing your Instagram app cache can often resolve the problem, forcing the app to load the new image. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can bring your space to life, be sure to check the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.